ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Today we are discussing few of Jodi pada. So I told you what is Jodi pada in the previous video. The link is given here. Please go check it out. Jodi pada is basically the words which comes together. Two words will become like a group. Jodi andre it's a partner. Okay, like a bread and butter, bread and jam. So these words will become a together, a partner. So these kind of words are called Jodi pada. Pada andre word, Jodi andre partner. Okay, so we'll learn few those kind of words in Kannada randomly. I'll tell you the meaning also, where you can use, in which circumstances you can use these kind of words. This will be very useful when you frame a sentences of your own in your exams ali. They'll be asking for swanta vakyadalli bareyiri. That means create or frame a sentence. Alva? So in those kind of situations, you can use these kind of words to get extra marks. Okay, and also this is a wonderful vocabulary. So we'll start. The first word is achchumetchu. Achchumetchu andre it is used to signify that I like this very much. For example, cricket nanage achchumetchu. Cricket is my most favorite one. So to indicate that it is your favorite, the most favorite, you can use achchumetchu. Okay, next is antu intu. Antu intu is finally. For example, the sentence can be antu intu nan order bantu. My order came. Antu intu exam mugitu. My exam is finished finally. In those situations you will use antu intu. Next is ante kante. Ante kante is a rumors. I heard. Okay, so as example, I'll give you the example. ಬರೇ ಅಂತೆ ಕಂತೆನೇ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರೂಮರ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಅಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ. ಅಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ ನೀನು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫೈ, ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆರ್ ಟು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ದ ರೂಮರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದಚಂದ. ಅಂದಚಂದ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹರ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆ ಜಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಅಂದಚಂದವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದಚಂದವಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಅಂದಚಂದವಾಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸೇಜ್. ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೇಳೆ. ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಸ್, ಬೇಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೇಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಳೆ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕುಕ್. ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೇಳೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಳೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಅ food items in the house. Okay, akki bele ide, that means we have enough of a food items also. In that term also we can use this akki bele. Next is akka pakka, here and there. Next side, or your neighbors. Akka pakka maneyaru tumba ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. My neighbors are really good. akka pakka ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜಗಳ. My neighbors will always quarrel. So ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Next to me there are my friends. So we can use in this concept. Akka pakka. Akka tengi. Don't get confused these things. Okay, this always used together. These kind of a different words, the separate words which has a meaning, that can also be used as a Jodi pada. If you observe these things, akka pakka and ante kante, we have to use it together. So if you don't use it together, the single word doesn't have a meaning. Okay, antu into and all, this doesn't have a meaning. But these cases I can get a meaning for the single word also. We have two types of Jodi pada here. Okay, akka tangi, elder sister, younger sister. Akka tangi ibru tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They sing very nicely. Similarly anna tamma, elder brother, younger brother. Anna tamma ibru cricket ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will play cricket. Next, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ is there, ಇಲ್ಲಿ is here. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. Don't go here and there. ಅದು ಇದು. ಅದು is a that. ಇದು is a this. ಅದು ಇದು ನೋಡಬೇಡ. Don't watch this and that. ಅದು ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಕೈ ಬಾಯಿ. ಕೈ is a hand. ಬಾಯಿ is a mouth. ಕೈ ಬಾಯಿ ತೊಳಿ. Wash your hands and face, hands and mouth. Ganga Yamuna. So we know these are the name of a river. Okay, so with is very famous. Use agi ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In few cases we can also use names as a Jodi pada. For example, Shiva Parvati, Rama Lakshmana, Rama Sita. So these can also be used in some cases as a Jodi pada, which is completely fine. So you should understand there are different instances that I will be using a Jodi pada. ಗಂಗಾ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಯಮುನಾ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಯಮುನಾ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗಿಡ ಮರ, ಗಿಡ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಮರ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೀ. ಗಿಡ ಮರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆ, farmland basically. So both of them has a separate meaning here also. So ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ರೈತ ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ರೈತ is a farmer. Farmer will work in ಹೊಲ and ಗದ್ದೆ, farmland. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ, this is used to signify the hilly region, mountains. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನಾನು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ, ಲೈಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಪ್ನಾ ಬುಕ್ ಹೌಸ್. So you can order online, but what I say is visit to the store, check out the books and buy the book. There are many books actually. This is one of the book which I have from very long time. Similarly, you will be getting a books for ಬಿರುದಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ, ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ, ಪ್ರಾಸಪದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾದೆ, ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು, ಪ್ರಬಂಧ, ಪತ್ರಲೇಖನ. For everything you will get a book. The main thing is try to learn at least one word every day, so that you will learn 365 words in a year. Alva? So start with one word. If you are comfortable, go with the 2 words. 2 opposite words, 2 synonyms, 2 rhyming words, 2 jodi pada, 2 dvirakti. Likewise, you can improve your vocabulary. So you can also get the dictionary, which I always refer to everyone. So this dictionary, again, it is available in Sapna book house. It will cost around some 50 to 80 rupees around. Wonderful book. You will learn every day 2 words from this book, and this is sufficient for you for the good vocabulary. You will build up a good vocabulary, you will improve in your vocabulary. So today we worked on Jodi Pada. I hope nimge artha agide. Let me just quickly revise and tell you. There are few words which can't be used alone in Jodi Pada. There are few words which can be used alone in Jodi Pada. Even the names can also be used as Jodi Pada in few instances. So idu Jodi Pada. Now what you do is frame a sentence frame ಮಾಡಿ using this with my examples, and adana bardu send it to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll check and I'll let you know if there are any corrections. Kalastira, and also make sure that you will share this information with your friends. Video share ಮಾಡಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel for more such videos ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I'll soon meet you all with another kind of a video. Thank you so much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name workshop 1 and workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.